Hey everybody, so there seems to be a reason, at least in part, for the Samsung Galaxy Fold to keep on breaking. So some of the people that have been given the phone are complaining obviously that the phone is breaking, but it turns out that they are peeling off what looks like a screen protector, but it isn't. So because the Samsung Galaxy Fold is a folding phone with one big screen, it doesn't have the protective Gorilla Glass. So it has what is effectively a screen protector over the top. But when you peel that off, it leaves the screen exposed and it's causing issues down the line. Now, the reason for this is because I was thinking to myself, why would somebody develop a phone that you can peel off what looks like a screen protector? But apparently it does state when you do get the phone that you are not to remove this at all, which again makes sense if you know what you're looking for. So if you in the future scratch the screen, you will be able to send the phone off to Samsung and they'll just be able to replace that top layer or that screen protector that they've put on the phone. But you are not supposed to remove that. When you do that, it's gonna leave the screen vulnerable and it's probably gonna break it. But on the other hand, people are saying that they have not removed the screen protector, but they're still having issues with the phone. You know, a line down the middle, one half not working, one half working. So it seems like the phone may not be as rugged as people think anyway. Again, these might be just teething problems which might be rectified before production, we don't know. I would have thought it would have been something that would have been rectified before it was given to people to test, because these are the people that are going to influence other people to buy them. Now, again, I'm not going to be getting one of these for just the same reason. It's just like anything else. Like I said in my previous video yesterday, it's the first generation of a new phone. I don't think it's something that most people should, unless you really want it, should buy. I mean, don't get me wrong, it might be one of those things that you can buy, use a few times, put it in a box, and in years to come it'll be worth something. You know, like the first Apple phone. You know, it was new, it was innovative. The first folding phone might be the same way. But it'll be interesting to see how this compares to other folding phones that are coming to the market, you know, in the near future, and I might add, are a lot cheaper, because this isn't a good start for Samsung. For the folding phone in the UK, it's £1,800. I think it's $2,000 in the US. That's a lot of money for a phone that won't last you 2 days. So it is just what it is. But are you still going to buy one? I know people have been watching my other video and some people have said, yeah, I'm still going to buy it. You know, I can't put you off. I don't want to put you off. I still think it's a great, innovative thing. I just think it needs more work before it should be rolled out to the general public. So again, this is just my 2 cents for today. And remember, do not peel off the screen protector. So guys, if you've liked this, please like the video. And if you really like it and you want to see more of these little let's chat segments, don't forget, subscribe to my channel and you'll be notified anytime I do tech news or tech reviews. I'll see you soon.